Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn about the next part of direct to indirect speech, and it is about the sentences having universal truth. पाहूया युनिव्हर्सल ट्रूथ म्हणजेच त्रिकाल सत्य, त्यानंतर शास्त्रीय नियम, सुविचार, नियमित घडणाऱ्या घटना या जर असतील किंवा जर तुमचं रिपोर्टिंग वर्क हे वर्तमान काळात किंवा भविष्य काळात असेल तर अवतरण चिन्हात दिलेलं जे वाक्य असतं त्या वाक्याचा काळ इनडायरेक्ट करत असताना बदलायचा नाही. वी कॅनॉट चेंज द रिपोर्ट or the tense of the report as the reporting verb is in present tense or in future tense. If it is universal truth or it is a scientific rule or any other good thoughts or the happenings which were happening time to time. So take into consideration these points. Now, if reporting verb is said, you can use said as a reporting verb. If there is said to, you must use told as a reporting verb. And according to the sentence, you have to use the conjunction that. Now, we will see with the examples of the universal truths. Now, see the first example. The teacher said, comma into inverted comma, the earth revolves around the sun or moves around the sun. The sentence, the earth moves around the sun, is universal truth. What we have to do? We have learned already. Take the reporter, the teacher, use reporting verb. Here only said is given, so we have to use said. This is assertive sentence, so we can use that as a conjunction, and the remaining part, that is report, write as it is without changing the tense of the sentence. That is, the earth moves around the sun. That's it. I don't change the tense. That is, moves remains moves at it as it is. It is universal truth. Now see the another example. She said, comma into inverted comma, the boiling point of the water is 100 degrees Celsius. The boiling point of the water is 100 degree Celsius. It is also universal truth sentence and is in present tense. So, see the reporter, reporting verb, conjunction, and the remaining part. The boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius. The boiling point of the water is 100 degree Celsius. These are the two examples. Now see another example of the reporting verb having simple present tense. I say this is mine. I say this is mine. Now here the reporting verb is in simple present tense. So we must not change the tense of the inverted comma or the report. Now see, it is I, reporter, say, conjunction that. This changes to that. Is mine. I say that, that is mine. So this is if the reporting verb is in simple present tense. Now see, I will say, I write a letter. I will say, I write a letter. Here will indicates simple future tense. So we cannot change the tense of the report. I will say that. I changes according to reporter. It remains as it is. Write, it is a verb, remains as it is. And the remaining part we don't change. I will say that I write a letter. So this is the universal tense. तुम्हा सर्वांना माहितीच आहे की आता आपला पोर्शन 25% कमी केलेला आहे. 25% पोर्शन कमी केलेला असला तरी ग्रामरचा कोणताही भाग यातून वगळण्यात आलेला नाही. त्यामुळे आपल्याला पूर्ण ग्रामर आहे. युनिट 4 मधील बराचसा भाग काय केलेला आहे, कमी केलेला आहे. तो तुम्हाला पाठवलेला आहे, तो एकदा पाहून घ्या आणि त्यानुसार आपल्याला संपूर्ण जे ग्रामर आहे ते घ्यावयाचे आहे. आणि आता इथून पुढच्या काही तासांमध्ये व्हिडिओमध्ये तुम्हाला काही टेस्ट दिल्या जातील आणि त्याचा फीडबॅक घेतला जाईल. सो आज याचा व्यवस्थित अभ्यास करा आणि घरीच राहा, सुरक्षित राहा, पण अभ्यास करा. धन्यवाद.